Hi friends, and welcome back to another episode of From Scraps to Crafts, where I share with you some paper crafting ideas using scraps that you may have been holding on to for quite some time, or just scraps that you happen to be making as you are crafting. So I'm in the middle of packaging up some Happy Mail. It's actually a swap for my friend for a Facebook group that I'm a member of, and so this is a Halloween swap. Sorry, my voice. This is a Halloween swap, and so I have die cut some intricate die cuts for her for Halloween. And you know how whenever you send out intricate die cuts and you put them together, they tend to get all tangled up, and then the recipient has to figure out how to untangle them and so forth. Well, I don't want to show you my desk right now, but from what you're able to see, you can see that I just have paper everywhere because I've been crafting and I've been packaging stuff. So what I've done is I'm looking throughout and I'm seeing all these pieces of cardstock, this half sheets of cardstock and whatnot that are left over from my project. And so what I decided to do is, before I package these pieces of intricate die cuts, I cut several pieces of leftover cardstock, and what I'm going to do is I am going to separate each and every single one of these die cuts using these pieces right here, so that when I put them in the bag, they should not get all tangled up, and she will be able to remove them one by one without having to detangle them and so forth. So that's what I wanted to share with you, and here is a sneak peek of the Happy Mail that I'll be sending out. And so I will try and make a video for that one soon, so that y'all can see everything that I have made for her. And so yeah, thank you so very much for watching. Please remember to thumbs up my videos, leave me a comment, it helps my channel out a lot. And also, if you just happen to land on this video and you're not a subscriber as of yet, please subscribe to my channel. I try to upload often paper crafting videos. I do tutorials and so forth. And so yeah, my voice doesn't always sound like this. If you're new to my channel, I've had vocal paralysis from an intubation, but I can speak now, and I will be having surgery in a couple of weeks to fix my vocal cords. So keep me in your